The pickup truck market is red hot these days, and to compete, General Motors redesigned its Chevrolet Silverado and similar GMC Sierra 1500 series trucks. The result? Chevrolet has certainly improved the Silverado 1500 with increased payload and towing capacities, plus it has a deeper bed than the previous model. But the redesign doesn't match the fancy cabin or comfortable ride of some competitors. Let's start with what truck buyers really want: power. In fact, the Silverado's biggest change is in the powertrain. Its 5.3-liter V8 engine can now be paired with a new 8-speed automatic transmission, and the combination provides better throttle response and quicker acceleration. For the most part, the new transmission delivers timely and quick shifts, but we did experience occasional clunks at low speed. Our LT trim truck is equipped to tow up to 9,600 pounds. Silverados with a larger 6.2-liter engine and heavy-duty towing package can tow 12,100 pounds in crew cab versions. We like that the four-wheel drive system has an auto mode that can be left on indefinitely, eliminating the need for the driver to make the decision for when to engage or disengage it. And if you're going off-road, be aware that the basic four-wheel drive Silverados don't have the low-range gearing, which is what you need for serious off-roading. When it comes to on-pavement handling, you can't escape the Silverado's huge size when taking corners. But for a full-size pickup truck, it has responsive steering and little body weight. The Silverado comes with Chevy's Easy Lift tailgate. This feature makes the tailgate light enough that it can be easily closed with one hand, and it opens in a damp fashion instead of just plopping down harshly. As expected of a big truck, the Silverado has lots of room around the driver, including a ton of headroom. The back seat is huge, giving passengers plenty of room to stretch out. The Silverado's wide cockpit means some controls are of far reach, including the touchscreen. At least the easy-to-use infotainment system comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. For our truck, we added a bunch of convenience features, such as dual-zone automatic climate control, heated front seats, a power-operated sliding rear window, and a number of other options, bringing the total to $50,225. All of Detroit's trucks are worthy competitors, and that's a terrific bonus if you're a buyer. For more on pickup trucks, check out consumerreports.org.